Want to add a cool floating WhatsApp button to your WordPress website for instant communication? It's super easy. I have two solutions for you. One using a plugin and another with a simple HTML and CSS script. First, let's check out the plugin method. Go to the link in the video description and download the Chatzap plugin, which is specially developed by me. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins. Add New Plugin. Upload the downloaded file. After installation, simply activate it. Once activated, go to Chatzap settings. Enable the widget and enter your WhatsApp number with the country code. You can customize the pre-filled message based on your preferences. You can also adjust the WhatsApp icon size if needed. By default, it is set to 40 pixels. And finally, save the changes. That's all. Now let's check our website. Here we go. The WhatsApp button is live at the bottom of the screen. When someone clicks it, they'll be redirected to your WhatsApp with the pre-filled message. Now, let's dive into the second solution. If you want to achieve the same result without a plugin and know a little coding, this is perfect for you. Here's how to do it. First, go to the link in the video description and copy the HTML code. Then, in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance Theme File Editor. Select the footer.php file and scroll down to the bottom. Paste the HTML script just before the closing body tag. Next, you need to add your WhatsApp link here. For that, go to the blog post again and enter your WhatsApp number with the country code, along with a pre-filled message. Generate the link, copy it, and paste it into the script. Then update the file. Now, let's style the WhatsApp widget. Go to Appearance, Customize, and scroll down to Additional CSS. Copy the CSS code from the blog post and paste it here. You'll see the WhatsApp widget on the right side of your screen. To adjust the icon size, simply edit the width and height values in the CSS code. That's all. Publish your changes and let's check a live preview. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.